Hello everyone, we're back. Today we're going to show you how to do Minecraft and we're going to do like more puzzles. We're going to do from puzzle 6. In the past video, if you click on my previous video, you would have seen how we did puzzle 1 through 5. So puzzle 1 was, again, I'll do a quick review. Or you might have to do it again. So we did puzzle 1 where this character had to go 2 steps forward to get to the chest. So what did I say? When run, move forward, move forward. How many times? 2 times. So then he could get to the chest. That's just to review. The second puzzle we had was for Alex to get to the boat because boats are easier to swim in open water. So we had to get him to the boat. This was a little complicated. This is a little different where he had to turn right to get to the boat. So what I told was to move forward and then turn right and then move forward 2 steps. So I had to plan and do it that way. I had to tell the computer what to do. So I did that. And in my third puzzle, let's see, what I did was, what did Alex have to do? Oh, he had to roar, he had to use the oars and pilot the boat to the catch the cord, which is very easy actually. All he has to do is go straight, right?
Yeah.
But how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. So I just told him to do move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward. You can try running it. It's already coded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He did it.
They did it.
That was it, okay? So that was puzzle 3. And what was puzzle 4? Puzzle 4 was to do the same thing. It's actually the same thing to go to the dolphin this time. But instead of doing it 7 times, we're going to use a repeat until goal, a repeat command. What does a repeat command do? It would basically do it, right? You just have to say once and it knows that it has to keep doing it. Like if I tell you to brush your teeth every day, I don't have to tell you every day. If I tell you one day and if you could just brush your teeth every day, then that'll be great, right? If you know what to do every day. So this is how we're going to tell the computer, oh, you have to move forward 7 times. I can tell the computer that, or I can just say move forward until you get there. So now let's run it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You did it. But we used a repeat command, which is very awesome, which means you have to do less coding and you want to code less, okay? You don't want to sit and write too many codes. That's what the plan here. This was a very good exercise where we had to get to the chest. I mean, there is one very simple solution here. In programming, there's going to be always many ways of doing it. All you want him to do is turn right and move forward, right? And then turn right again and move forward 2 steps. I wanted him to do that 2 times. But instead of telling him to do 3 times, I put it in the repeat block. He did it. That was it. That was the top 5 ones. Now let's move on to our 6th one. We've just recapped all of our 6. Now let's do 6. What is 6? Oh wow, look at this. Looks freezing out there. Catch a salmon on your way to the underwater rooms. Okay, can you catch it? How do we do? So if you say when run, if you drag the move forward, what will happen? It'll just move forward. Do you want him to move forward? Yeah, right? How many steps do you want him to move forward? He's here right now. You want him to move 1, 2, 3 steps, okay? So we could do like this. Let's start without using any repeat blocks for now because so we get it 3 times, okay?
1,
1, 2, 3 times. So that will get him to this end of the water. After that, do you want him to turn right? Right? Yeah. You want him to turn right?
turn right.
Could now drag the turn right. Yeah, good job. Oops. Okay, that'll make him turn right. But is that it? Not yet. But you can test what you have written. In programming, you always want to keep
Okay.
testing. Now he's turned right. Now what's the next step? You want him to go forward one, two, three steps again, right?
Yeah.
So say move forward again. Move three times. But note, I know we are not using the repeat command, but that's okay. We're going to use it later, okay? First, we're going to do a very simple solution.
Okay, now the
Three times, I said. Did you write it three times? No, you only write it one time. You want to do it three times. One, two, three. Good job. Now run it again and see how far you got. Did you think you got to the salmon? Turn right and one, two, three. Now again, do you want him to turn right?
No, go.
No, you want him to turn left actually this time. Can you put a turn left?
Where?
Take the right but flip it.
This.
How you do that is by dragging this. But in this drop down, you flip it to left. You have the choice to do left, okay? See, left means this way. Then after that, you want him to go straight three times. So can you do that? Then move forward three times.
Okay, can we try?
Try it. Test what you have coded so far.
Good job, man.
See how he goes. Now three more steps forward. What's the next step to do? Three steps forward. So which one will you drag? Three steps. Where will you put it? In the end, okay? Sequence is important when you're coding. Move forward. Move. Oops. No, not turn right. Move forward. We're going to do move forward three times. Good job. Two times and then one more time will make it three. Okay, test it now. Let's see how far we've got. Three. You turn right. One, two, three. Turn left. One, two, three. And then what do you want him to do now? Now you want him to turn right and then go three steps. So same thing. Now keep continuing. Now say turn right and then say move forward. You're doing the whole coding by yourself. Turn right, turn right. Yeah. Turn right block. But we're not using the repeats, okay? We're going to try the same solution and try to do with repeats. Oops. Right. With repeats. Repeat, you didn't do forward. You just made him turn so far. But he still has to go three steps. Who's gonna do that?
Move forward?
Yeah, he has to move forward. Oh, not there. Oh.
Can you take it for me?
You have to break. To break it apart, you have to split this and split this. And get this one out. But I think we are missing one now. Oops. Should have put this back. It was like this, okay? You're trying to put it here. Two more times. Not turn. Move forward block. Two more times. In the end, okay? Adding it to the end because the order is important. The computer will only do what you say. One more time. And that will solve the problem. But, uh,
I don't know how to drag it.
I know, it's okay. Now run it and see. How do we run it? By clicking the reset and then run button. You did it. You coded it correctly. You got to the salmon. You got salmon. I can give you salmon for lunch. Completed. But what it's saying, it's also possible to complete it with 10 blocks. You wrote a lot of codes. Do you think you want to use less command codes? You can do it in 10 blocks. So what we see, this code is there. I want to show you something very interesting now, okay? Watch. We're not going to do this video yet. We're going to go back here I'm going to show you how we can make it less coding, okay?
Okay.
Not loading. Okay, here. So you see how many, what have you repeated over here? Let's see, you did this, what can we make less over here? See what matches, whatever matches is what. See this block, if you take it down here, it matches, right? Till this side and this side matches. I'm basically splitting the code apart to see if anything matches. You know how pattern, right? If the same pattern is repeating, that's what you put in the repeat command. Okay, as you can see here, there's move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward, move forward on the right and the left, turn right, move, move, move. Do you have to say that so many times? You don't need to. What you can do is put it in the repeat command, put this, right? I don't need these things because this is the same as this. Is it the same?
Yeah.
I don't need to tell the computer twice to do the same
Okay,
thing.
can
I'm
I
gonna
run?
say, see
I'll
how I
run.
switch the code, and I'm gonna change this to 2 times speed. And this is another way to do it, you know, super easy, where I got rid of the same line.
Okay, let me run.
So it's basically also finding a pattern, maybe solving it one time with no pattern, and now you're testing it. Now what are you doing? Oops, you think we're doing it right. Oh no, we did something wrong.
You looped it.
Oh, you know what? We should do 3 times.
Let me do 3 times. Come on.
I think we do it 3 times. Try now.
No, run the code.
Oh, I think I don't need this.
Okay, can I delete?
Oops.
We have to take.
Uh-huh.
We have to take turn right out. We can't have too many of that.
Too many of that. Okay, do now. Test it. See what's happening.
Reset. Turn it. And it's
It's going round and round. You don't want that. Let me tell you what you want to do.
Let me write how many times. Um, wait.
You can change the number. Are you practicing how to change the number? Yeah, it'll do the same thing.
How do we delete?
Yeah, you have to be here, put your cursor here, delete it, and then say like any number of times. And this has, you don't have to write it 100 times. 0 is not a number of times to do. It won't do anything then. If you say something more than 0, right? It won't do anything. See?
Ah,
That's playing games. You're playing games.
got the card back.
Okay, continue watching. We're gonna show you how to solve this with using repeat in the next video actually. So continue back, watch our videos.